Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so I think the last step now is to put the battery back in. There's not a lot of room with the way they've done is well, maybe that would help if I took that out of there. But the terminals are on the inside because I mean that would reach there, but maybe this is the wrong battery because if the terminals are on the outside, but if I turn it around, positive and negative will be in the wrong place. So
I check on the chain and I'm wiping the mud. That single pot motor is pumping my blood. 3 liters to the 100.
and these are 10 mil.
Through the Adelaide hills where the eucalypts blow. The spring mounted saddle, the fender's so wide.
And I put the battery on a trickle charge last night because it's been out the bike for 4 weeks I think now. Okay, now hopefully no sparks. Now this one mounted differently from memory. So I've got that and this. So far so good, no sparks, nothing getting hot in my fingers. This would have been so much simpler if it was on the front. Dropping it again. Okay. There's a captive nut inside both of these, the positive and the negative. So now I know you're meant to do one up first, not the other. I can never remember which way it is, but I'm thinking maybe it's the negative I should have done last. Because if I touch something with a spanner now, I'll short it out. And the hooks are right back here. Okay, I've got the cover. That's spring loaded and it needs to be pointing down when you put it on, otherwise you'll break the tab. And I think with this one I'm going to put the bottom in first because for some reason. So while the key's turned, okay. So when I went around last night and checked, I found this head steady lock nut I'd forgotten to tighten up. So I've tightened that. There is no Loctite on there. Maybe I should do Loctite, I don't know. But yeah, everything else seems to have been done. I don't think I've missed anything. So next step, I think I'll put some fuel in it, because I guess if I turn it on without fuel, the fuel pump will just keep running dry, and I don't want to do that. But I'll put some fuel in it. I'll kick it over with my feet, make sure everything's still good, and then I'll go for the electric start or a foot start, I don't know. Okay, that's all for now.